Hi guys. So where are we going today?
To pick cherries. Cheers. You copied me. It's okay.
Good morning guys. Dito tayo ngayon. Mag-cherry picking tayo. Samang mga bagets. So another bonding family time. Daan lang tayo sa McDonald's for breakfast.
Tanda siyang forward.
Ivy, what I should have had like that. Hello guys, good morning. Andito tayo ngayon sa Non-Better Farms. Nakikita niyo sa likod ko, yan yung pangalan nila. Ang lawak-lawak ng lugar. So nandito tayo ngayon para mag cherry picking. So guys, eto mga baby pa hindi pa okay. Nakikita nyo ba? Yan, mag cherry picking tayo ngayon kasama yung pamilya. Okay? I mean, wow!
Cheers to pick. More.
We're gonna pick all the cherries.
Do you wanna try?
Yes.
Try mo. Get one and eat. Tell daddy if it's sweet. Tell mo. Look, mommy look to it too. Cheers. Try. Bite mo.
I don't like it.
Okay.
Guys, eto yung puno ng cherry. Kung makikita nyo, ang dami-dami nilang bunga. So binigyan nila kami nung yellow bucket, tapos ilang pupunuin namin. Pero dito, pwede ka nang kumain kagad. Sarap guys. Ito malaki ito.
You ready?
Yeah. Is that good? Dami oh.
Oh. Look what happened to this one.
What? Let me see. They're twin. Look at this one. Here, for you. Guys, ang daming cherries dito. Hindi na ako naglalagay sa bucket. Kain na kami ng kain. Ano? Ito pala magandang puno sa bahay. Hindi ka magugutom.
Vlogging. Ganda din to sa gout. Ay talaga? Gout. Oo. Antioxidant. Cherry.
Kimilis ko.
Pala si Kuya Pat may puno nito.
Ow!
Grabe to Kuya Pat. Ito.
Asan ba?
Ayun, nakarami na ako. 20 cherry nakakuha na.
Grabe yun.
Tangkay.
Isang ano lang to. Isang sanga lang guys. Dami na mapupuno na yata yung bucket mo dito. Sobrang dami. Ang haba pa. Pitasin natin. Tamis? Kahit yung hindi pa sobrang hinog, yung tamis na. Hi, Ivy.
Hi.
Let me see your bucket.
Who's cherry?
Wow. Did you pick all of them?
Yes.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, let's go.
Yay!
It's good, huh? You guys can keep picking the cherries. Ivy, pick some cherries right there behind you.
Dad, can you help me?
Yeah, I'll hold these. Go get the cherries and then put it in the basket. Here. Whoa.
Mom.
Is it fun?
You guys pick.
How is it like that? Dad, can you help me?
Yes. Here, get this one.
Yay!
Good job.
Ooh.
Wow, it's pretty.
How about mine?
Yeah. Oh, feed daddy, feed daddy.
That's a lot.
Ah.
Where is this?
It's so good.
Oh, Mom, from this one to this one.
Oh, here, Ivy. This one, look. So much.
Hey,
Nag-live ako sa Facebook.
is this a lot?
Let me see. That's good.
Grab
Daddy,
all
how
the red
about
ones.
mine? Yeah. Daddy, it's
Ivy, grab all the red ones, okay?
This is a perfect one.
Sawa-sawang mga andito.
Grabe pala dito. Grabe yung bunga.
Hitik, no? Wala nang kapit tayo nyo.
Daddy. Ow.
Ivy, is this your first time seeing a cherry tree? Is it nice?
Ivy, look here. There's so much. Can you grab some?
It's so funny.
It's so funny. Keep grabbing them. Huh?
How did you do that?
Ivy, is this your job?
Yeah, this is the job. And maybe you should that's your job.
Can you feed me?
Okay.
Give me the biggest one. Okay, ah. Mmm,
Is it good?
that's so sweet.
Good.
Ivy.
Wow.
Guys, ito nga palang bakit nito, yung pinipitas namin. Ang presyo nila dito, $4 per pound. Pero sobrang sulit naman kasi yung kakainin mo dito, lalo na hindi pa magbe-breakfast. Sobrang sobrang sulit. Vlogging.
Yay!
What are you doing, Ivy? What?
What's that? Let me see.
Hanggang dito sa lapag sa bigat.
Mhm.
Hindi na kinaya. Oh. Ganyan lang.
Nasa ground na yung mga prutas, oh. Ito pala dati pitasan eh.
Oo, ito.
Matulungan natin, sobrang bigat, oh.
I cannot
Ayan.
get it.
Oh, here, oh. Isla, wag yan. Ano pa ito?
Ganda.
Is this mine? This mine.
It doesn't matter.
Video ka. Like it.
Yay.
Tabi-tabi po. Tabi-tabi po.
Malalaki.
Ma, magkano pong sweldohan nila dito, ma? Ang sweldo sa'yo, cherry din.
Matatambok.
Tawag mo dito, patungtungin mo. Para nakaangat yung ulo.
Whoa.
Come closer.
Dito mo. Then you hold, and then you grab. Oh, let's yan, isla. Ah.
Hawakan mo dito.
Ah.
What happened to the cherries? Here,
So gone.
they're gone.
We're gonna buy this.
Here, look. Pick more.
You want strawberry now?
Okay. We're finished.
Sabi mo natin ng cherry ang pag-uwi.
Ito tuloy ka.
Don't get the big one.
Here.
Oh, yung iba.
Backpack. Do you want to pick more? Okay.
Candy.
Yes.
Me.
Okay. Here.
Yes.
Pag may maasin kayo nakain siya dyan. Good friend. Ganito ni puro.
Uy, sarap naman.
Hoy. Some more cherry.
Come. We got plenty.
Yeah, we got plenty of cherry. It's too much for our belly.
Oh, you hold this. Oh, kaya mo ba? Oh.
Can you hold that?
Can you hold this?
Tapunan mo yung
Oh. Hindi, kaya yung idea. Oh. Kaya, oh. Oh.
There you go.
Can you do it?
Let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Leave it.
Just leave it.
Oh, you want me to put a little cherry here? You want little bit? There? That's
There you go.
More. There.
There you go. Can you carry it now?
Okay, let's go. Let's pay. Ganun pala gusto ko may laman. Kasi ba't di nyo nilalagyan ng laman?
Dad, I got some more cherry.
You got some? Let me see. Wow. Yummy.
Oh, Joey?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay na, happy? Happy, Ivy?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. It's gonna be 7 pounds exactly, so it's gonna be $28 today.
Should be thick, huh?
Yes, that should be good.
Is it 28?
Yes.
Just give me 20.
Thank you so much.
Guys, ito yung parking nila, sobrang lawak. Napupuno daw to pagka weekend. Ngayon kasi Wednesday morning, talagang pagkabukas dito na kami. Yan. So ilan ba? 7 pounds? 7 pounds yung inuwi namin. Pero kinain namin doon siguro mga 2 pounds din siguro. Sobrang busog na rin kami. Next naman daw, strawberry farm. Tingnan natin kung may makukuha tayo doon. Guys, dito ganyan ang ano nila, farmers market. Sa mga may farm, nagtatayo sila ng shed. Tapos ilalagay na nila yung mga harvest nila diyan. Nire-retail nila dito. Yan. So lahat ng nakikita nyo dito sa estante nila, Lahat yan, puro harvest nila.
Are there?
Ano?
Mom, there's all the strawberries.
Right there.
Ano yata puro to, Beb? Figs. Figs. Kasi yung dahon eh. Ganyan yung dahon ng figs. Magkano yung ganyan, kuya?
14.
Ah,
Isa 25.
wow.
Wow. Mommy, can I eat some?
Strawberry. Yeah, go grab one. Try. Hello guys, so ito na yung mga nakuha natin kanina. Nahugasan na sila. Naka 7 pounds tayo. Ang binayaran natin total of $28. Dahil doon kasi medyo pricey talaga kaysa sa store. Dahil sa experience. Pero yung nakain naman namin doon, talagang sulit na. Kasi dami namin nakain eh. Yan. Tapos may pinuntahan kaming farmers market na bili naman kami ng strawberry. Okay mga boss, hanggang dito na lang yung vlog natin. Hanggang sa uulitin. Peace!